Episode 9. As you may recall in our last video installment, the creation of the summary graphs based on population normal values allowed doctors to recognize normal GMA levels of 3 cycles per minute frequency, and opened the door to understanding gastroparesis and dyspepsia. That is because the normal 3 cycle per minute activity seen by EGG is a direct reflection of the number of ICCs and function of the ICC motor unit. Now, looking through this scientific picture window, we'd like to take you on a voyage where man has not been able to go before. Discovering new and exciting world-expanding applications to approach gastroparesis and dyspepsia. For far too long, these illnesses have plagued mankind and were thought to be untreatable and uncurable. Not anymore. Instead, doctors have discovered EGG GMA subsets, allowing the cure of gastroparesis and perhaps even dyspepsia. Why is this so important? Because now you can make a difference and finally stop your patients from suffering, and in some cases from even dying. The solution? A newly unveiled quantifiable and unified approach. With what we now know today, 20 to 25% of the normal to hypernormal GMA subtype may be cured definitively with a simple endoscopic procedure. How is that possible? It began with the breakthrough observation by Britsana, in 1998, who documented that gastroparesis due to mechanical obstruction of the pylorus, from ulceration or scar tissue, had a unique high amplitude, or hypernormal 3 cycles per minute EGG pattern. Many would later recognize the same pattern in those patients with non-obstructive pyloric outflow dysfunction, or what was termed functional pyloric outlet obstruction. This original concept, published in 1986, by Marin and colleagues, would be confirmed in multiple subsequent publications using balloon dilation to fix the associated delayed gastric emptying. Beginning with Wellington in 2017, this EGG fingerprint was used to select pyloric therapies like balloon dilation, Botox injection or surgical pyloromyotomy, predicting success in resolving gastroparesis and associated symptoms. In the landmark study done, comparing the results of balloon dilation in EGG subgroups of normal 3 CPM versus hypernormal subjects, Noer took the novel approach of developing an AI-derived threshold that quantified the predicted response to balloon dilation of the pylorus. Known as the GMA threshold or GMAT, the calculation proved to be 96% selective and 75% specific in predicting response to balloon dilation. This was the first time a purely quantitative threshold would predict resolution of gastroparesis and have a significant impact on symptoms, fully satisfying the required criteria to be considered a valid solution, according to the 2001 publication by the American Gastroenterologic Association. Our journey continues from this point, having demonstrated the ability to quantitatively determine the cure of gastroparesis in 20 to 25% of patients with a 93% assurance, regardless of underlying illness. This begs the question of what other conditions will be identified with unique GMAT thresholds, theoretically predicting the control and cure of a different subtype of gastroparesis, or even dyspepsia. Join us in the next episode, when we uncover yet another EGG-determined subset of gastroparesis, one associated with gastroesophageal reflux disease, where it is possible to predict an 85% cure rate. All because of EGG-directed therapy. 3 CPM. Helping to cure the incurable, working with GastroLab, the exclusive distributor and research partner for 3 CPM in India. Visit gastrolab.com, or phone on 088-8939-9914.